Hello, and welcome to this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week. Every Monday at 8 a.m., we spotlight YouTube channels we know you will learn from and enjoy. All the channels introduced this week have clickable links below the video. To access the links, simply click the Show More text below and use the links under the listed channels. Visit, subscribe, and like all the channels in this week's UCC YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week. Like and share this video too. The first channel of the week, selected by Espich, is Girliegirl Creates MichelleH, owned by Michelle Jordan Hartley. I love paper, any and all paper. I am a vintage soul. I love neutrals in any shade of blue. I'm attracted to the old feel, look of paper or any item that you would use in journal making. I started with making handmade journals and am slowly branching into mixed media, which is pushing my comfort zone. I am new to YouTube and a bit shy about putting up videos or live streams, but I'm getting there. The direction of my channel for 2021 is to share my crafting projects and inspiration with others in the community. I'm currently working on a collaboration with a crafting friend to upload weekly videos and creating projects for use in handmade journals. I would like to get more involved in the challenges of crafty creators on YouTube and post videos of those experiences as well. I'm just starting my crafty journey on YouTube and would love for you to join me. The second channel of the week, selected by Teri S, is Junk Journal Inspirations, owned by Plowfield. Junk Journal Inspirations is a place for beginners and veteran paper crafters to be inspired. I want to show others that perfection isn't the goal and encourage everyone to have fun. The third channel of the week, selected by Sheila Figueroa, is Sherls Crafts, owned by Sherls Hansen. Sherl says she started learning sewing and embroidery with her grandmother. Then later she loved cross-stitching. She moved to the USA in 2014, and that's when she started to love paper crafting. She started with scrapbooking and then moved on to memory books for the two young girls that keep her very busy during the day. She looks forward to the me time she has now to create journals and other paper crafts. If you have 200 or more subscribers to your YouTube channel and your Facebook group and want to become a member of the UCC and participate in the UCC YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week, email uccgroup2021@gmail.com for more information. If you don't have 200 or more subscribers, you can still participate in the UCC YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week. Email uccgroup2021@gmail.com for more information. If you would like to be featured, subscribe to the Facebook groups of the UCC founders and members and list your YouTube channel on their YouTube list events. Each one you subscribe to increases your chance to be featured, as one site is randomly chosen from each list every week. The UCC founders and members are Espich, founder; Teri S, co-founder; Sheila Figueroa, member. Thank you for joining us with this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week. We will see you again Monday at 8 a.m. with the next UCC YouTube Promotion Spotlight and even more excellent YouTube channels.